Welcome to MATSIM. Here we'll be exploring the functionality of the package. So once downloaded from the link provided, one may see the files and folders as displayed. Each folder contains a dedicated files, like documentation contains manuals, then example folder contains some pre-tested models, and same with the M files, GUI and other folders. So SLE.m is the main file which calls other files of the folders. And then the images which is used in the Simulink library display. So typing list command, we have our folders and files. So ensuring the path to our package by typing pwd, that is present working directory, and then the list command ls. So let's execute SLE.m file by typing SLE. So this is the GUI or the main interface between a user and the back-end program. It links other files of the folders. So when we hit this view electrical library, it calls this MDL file or the model file. So it opens a Simulink library with elements of the power systems like generators, transformers, loads. For appending any diagram, drag an element in the canvas. The image displayed is called upon by the SLE file from the image folder. So let me show you the same. This image is called from this image folder. Transfer functions are also appended within this package. So let's open one of the general files of this package located in pf trans files, opening the same file which is called as transstability.mdl. So this is the main Simulink file which contains generalized model for generators, then for excitation systems, same with the power system stabilizer, turbine systems, then static load. And each subsystem consists of generalized model again. For example, the mathematical equation for a generator. This is the swing equation. Same with the other attributes for a 2.2 model of the generator. Note, fundamental blocks are used for appending the same. So for the excitation, we are having 3 different types realized with a selector switch there. Same with the PSS block, that is power system stabilizer. So this is the del P omega PSS which we were referring to. So each and every element displayed in the image block or image folder is actually appended in the Simulink library. Again, for the executions of various attributes of the program like load flow, so function file is already present in the pf trans file folder. So same goes with the other functionalities also, like eigenvalue analysis, that is trace mode. So we already have that trace mode function, which is called upon when a user hits the trace mode functionality of the package. Like PSS design, the frequency response, and then the PSS selection. So the same GUI, SLE GUI, can call other GUIs for the usability of the program. So for selection of various variables for plotting, this is the result property GUI. So we will explore more in the further sessions.